If you're wondering how to integrate Mailchimp with Zapier and automate your email marketing like a pro, you've come to the right place. Stick around because I'm about to show you step by step how easy it is to set this up so you can start saving time and boosting your marketing efficiency. First, let me quickly mention that you can try this integration completely free, and I've got an exclusive bonus link for you in the description. Make sure to check it out. Alright, let's dive into the first thing you need to do. Create your Zapier account if you haven't already. You'll need this to create the zaps that will automate tasks between Mailchimp and other apps you use. It's a free tool to start with, and I'll guide you on how to link it up with Mailchimp. Now, once you're inside Zapier, the next thing is to set up a new zap. Think of a zap like a trigger action system. When one event happens in Mailchimp, something else automatically happens in another app you're using. Let's say, for example, you want new Mailchimp subscribers to automatically be added to a Google Sheet spreadsheet. In Zapier, select Mailchimp as your trigger app. The third thing to do is choose a trigger event. In our case, let's go with New Subscriber. This will ensure that every time someone subscribes to your list, it activates the zap. After selecting your trigger event, you'll be asked to connect your Mailchimp account. All you need to do is sign in and allow Zapier access to your Mailchimp account. No worries, this is completely safe. Next thing, once Mailchimp is connected to Zapier, it's time to choose your action app. For this example, let's say Google Sheets. You can select the Create Spreadsheet row action. This means every time you get a new subscriber on Mailchimp, Zapier will automatically add their information into your chosen Google Sheet. You'll be able to customize exactly what data to send, like first name, email, and so on. The fifth thing to do is test your zap. Zapier makes it super simple. Just click, test, and ensure that the new subscriber information gets added to your spreadsheet correctly. If everything looks good, you're ready to go. Now that you've set up your first zap, you can get creative. You could also integrate Mailchimp with other apps like Google Contacts, Slack, or even add automatic triggers for follow-up emails. Zapier lets you connect Mailchimp with hundreds of other tools, so you can automate your workflows and save tons of time. To wrap it up, I want to remind you that you can get started with this integration completely free, and you can access a bonus extended free trial by clicking the first link in the description. This is the perfect way to start automating Mailchimp, and I hope this tutorial has helped you make the process easier. If you want more tips and tricks on email marketing automation, don't forget to check out the links below.